how can I get Nam?
How can I get Nam? By being ready. When your soul is ready, Master will appear. And you can ask him, he'll give Nam. Or if you don't feel like asking him, he might even then give you Nam. Nam is initiation. We call it Nam, name, because he starts with the practice of repetition of words, names. That is why it's called Nam. But Nam is also meaning something other than the words he gives. In the Bible, John's Gospel starts with the verses. In the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God, and the Word was God. The opening verses. How can a word, we understand the word or name, any word, how can a word be not only God, but be even mentioned prior to being mentioned in the name of God? In the beginning was a word. In the Hindu Shastras, Rig Veda, it says, in the beginning was the Nad, the sound. All things were created by that, including all the gods and goddesses. A sound was creating gods and goddesses. A word can create God and can be God itself. Where did these words come from? We repeat in Islam the Kalma, the word of God. We repeat in every religion that started somewhere mentioning something like a sound or a word as the origin even of believing in a God. How did that happen? There's a good reason for that. The ultimate creative power. We could have called it creative power. But what was it like that it can be there all the time with us? Supposing the creative power disappears, we'll all disappear. We are being sustained in our life by the totality of consciousness of which we are a part. So that is why that consciousness, that power, that creator has appeared in us and stayed with us no matter what form we have taken. And therefore we say that God is within us. Therefore we say our reality is within us. Our true self is within us. Find it there. If it is within us, how do we find it? When we go within by concentration of attention at the third eye center, we hear a sound. A sound, it starts with a description of the sound. When we hear discourses, it's verbal. I have spoken to you in spoken language. I have not spoken unspoken language, but you can hear unspoken language if you go in. The unspoken language can be a telepathic communication, or it can be any other sound. A sound is audible. It can be heard. Word spoken can be heard. You are hearing. Inside you can hear. Thoughts you can hear. So hearing or being audible is part of our consciousness. Now we start by listening to a sound, and that sound does not get interrupted even if we reach the ultimate from where it originated. Because it is audible and we can hear it right here, it is called the audible sound current. But the audible sound current is connecting us with the ultimate creative power and uninterrupted. The spectacle we see, the outer experience we see keeps on changing. When we go to sleep, dream state is different from waking state because we forget where our body is. We don't have physical body, it's sleeping. We have a dream body. But notice that in the dream body and this physical body, the self is the same. You cannot say somebody else was dreaming. The same self was dreaming, the same self has woken up, the same self goes up to the astral plane, the same self goes up the higher plane, the same self goes all the way to our totality. Self never changes. Everything else changes except the self. And what the connection of the self that it can be heard. Your own self can be heard at this level inside, like a sound. That is why this particular yoga, the particular union with the ultimate reality, has been called by this master and all other masters of that level as the Surta Shabda Yoga, the yoga of the attention, Surta Shabda, sound. Put attention on the sound within, and you are on the way. And this sound will be continuous at every level. It changes form. In physical terms, it is a physical spoken sound. I am speaking to you. If you never heard, you would never know anything about what is inside. This is called Varanatmak Shabd. That means a sound that can be spoken and written. When you go inside, you hear a musical sound. A sound that is a kind of a vibration inside that cannot be written or spoken like we do this sound. So we call it the Dhunatmak Shabd, a sound in the form of a dhun or a melody. We go higher up and the sound changes. In the astral plane, it is Dhunatmak. In the causal plane, it becomes like it's an endless sound. That when you enter it, it doesn't look like you just started hearing it. When you enter, you find you were always hearing it. It's a great experience to find something going on already and you just left it to go back. I was always hearing that. The sound, same sound, is then called Anhad Shabd. Anhad means no limits. It's infinite, both ways. And you can still go further. It's still considered a sound, but it's changing into a more powerful sound where you know it's a creative power itself. You begin to appreciate it in the causal plane. When you are pulled by love beyond Brahman, beyond the creative power, beyond into Parabrahman, what we call Parabrahman, beyond the mental level, you go beyond that, the same sound becomes your own reality. You discover there was no difference between your soul and that sound. And that's called Sar Shabd. Sar Shabd is the used, the real sound, which is your reality. And when you go beyond into the totality, they call it Sat Shabd or true. Sat Nam, true Shabd. Because that's from where the whole thing is happening. Because it is audible at this level, that is why it's been called the word or sound. So, you can get the true sound by getting initiation, and you get initiation when you're ready for it. When you are seeking, reaches a point when you say, I've had enough of this. It's necessary. Supposing you say, I want more of this, you will get more of it. You say, no, I want to be initiated, but I want to have some good fun, good time here. First have good time. Why are you in a hurry? You lived here so long, so many lifetimes, don't remember any. And why are you not in a hurry? When you feel, no, I have had enough of it. I've seen the ups and downs here. It's no more for me. You are ready. At that time, you can get the initiation. And that is how, when you're ready, you get Naam or the word.